To repair a valve due to faulty or cut wires, you can use either new zone adapter, as they are interchangeable. Clear instructions and diagrams are on the back of the insert card. Begin by removing the field wire from a working valve, in this case valve number 1, and connect the new zone red wire to the solenoid. Next, connect the field wire from the working valve to the new zone blue wire. Then, remove the field wire from the non-working valve and connect the new zone yellow wire to the solenoid. Valve installation is complete. When you're repairing a valve due to faulty or cut wires at the controller, begin by removing the field wire from the working valve, in this case, zone number 1, and connect the new zone yellow wire to zone number 1 terminal. Next, connect the new zone blue wire to the field wire from number 1. Then remove the field wire from the non-working valve, in this case, valve number 3. Then connect the new zone red wire to valve 3 terminal. Installation complete.